Yeah, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chase mobile deposits. Let's get straight into the video. Talking about eligibility and requirement, the first thing you got to note is that you must have a Chase check-ins or savings account. Secondly, you must have the Chase mobile app installed on your device, and third, you must have a camera equipped device such as a smartphone or a tablet. So once you have those, let's talk about depositing a check using Chase mobile deposits. So first thing you want to do is to enter your Chase online banking username and password to log into the app, and then you want to select deposit checks from the menu, and then you want to take a clear photo of the front and the back of the check using your device's camera, and then you just enter the check amount, date, and other required information, and of course just review the deposit details and confirm the deposit. After that, you just gotta wait for the deposit to process, which may take a few hours or it could be overnight, but once that is done, you have your check deposited. So a couple of tips for using Chase mobile deposits. The first, of course, is to use good lighting when taking photo of the check to ensure the image are clear and the details are visible. So second, of course, is to keep the check until it's processed. So you want to make sure that even after doing all these steps, that you keep that physical check in case there's any problems with the process and you might need to do it again, so you can just do that again. The third, of course, is to verify the deposit. So you want to verify the deposits by checking your account balance and the transaction history. And of course, please beware of deposit limits. So you want to beware of deposit limits, which may apply to mobile deposits. So just work within the limits and don't exceed that, and you're not going to have any problems. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.